Hello and welcome to another exciting video where we'll be covering PICO components and we'll see how easy it is to create complex components using PICO in a very easy way. For example, we have accordion component over here and you can see that we have these two accordions and the open and close functionality that you see is done without making use of any JavaScript. So if I show you the code for accordion, here you can see we have the details tag, and within the details tag we are saying summary accordion 1, that comes up as the title, and then we have the paragraph tag which shows the content of that accordion. Similarly, I have another details tag, and within that we have the summary for the header and then whatever content you want to have for that accordion. And if you notice over here, with the details tag we are specifying the open option. Now that means that accordion will be in open state. So for example, if I run this one, you'll notice by default accordion 2 is in open state and accordion 1 is in closed state. So if you remove the open attribute that we have provided here with the details tag, then the accordion will be closed by default. Similarly, if we take a look at the model that it provides, here you will notice we have a dialog. Within that we have the article, and the article has this anchor tag which is for closing the dialog, and then this is the header tag which says confirm your action, and then we have the content, and then we have a footer over here. The JavaScript functions that you see over here will have to implement that. PICO does not provide that functionality. Now here you'll notice that we have closed this dialog. Now if I run this page, right now you don't see any model dialog coming up, but if I just go ahead and specify the same open attribute here as well and save this and now launch the web browser, you'll notice this is the model dialog which is coming up, and I have not written a single line of code for this. You can see how the background is blurred, how the model pop-up is coming up in the center of the screen, and then the footer has all these buttons. The confirm has a different highlight, and cancel is in a dimmed version, and they are all right aligned. So these all things that you see is done out of the box for you, and all you need to do is implement your actions like click on cancel and confirm and this cross mark that we have. And all you need to do is just remove that open attribute in order to close or cancel this box. So here if I go back and instead of open I just remove this and save it, you can see that model is now gone. Coming on to the third aspect, tooltip. Now this is very interesting. You can put a tooltip on a link, as you can see over here, tooltip on inline element and tooltip on a button as well. You can also place the position or decide the position of the tooltip, like here we have it on top, here on the right side, and here at the bottom, and then on the left. And if you see the code over here, this is all you have written for the tooltip to be generated and the placement of that particular tooltip. So here we have the paragraph tag. Within that we have the anchor tag, and for anchor tag all we are doing is just making use of the data dash tooltip, and then we are specifying the content of that tooltip. Similarly, we have this for the inline element, and on buttons we have this data tooltip, and along with that we have also data placement and the directions, as you can see, top, right, bottom, left. So you can see how easy it is to incorporate all these modern features like tooltip, accordion, model dialog boxes without too much of a fuss, without writing too much of CSS, without being bothered how it is going to appear on different screen sizes. PICO takes care of everything for you.